Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best hammocks with stands on Amazon. Enjoy ultimate relaxation and convenience with freestanding hammock setups that require no trees, combining comfort and ease in outdoor lounging. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Vivier Double Cotton Hammock with Stands. The Vivier Double Cotton Hammocks with Stands is the perfect combination for those looking for a comfortable, stylish, and durable hammock. The double hammock is tightly woven with high-quality cotton thread, resulting in a heavy yet highly durable fabric that can hold up to 450 pounds. The hammock stand is made from heavy-duty steel and assembles quickly without any tools. The hammock is designed with pure polyester end strings that last longer than traditional cotton end strings. It has an impressive bed length of 87 inches, making it suitable for 2 people to share at once. Its standout feature is the vibrant coloration of the hammock. What we like about it: sturdy and stable, easy to assemble with no tools, compact and portable. What we don't like about it: might sag more than preferred. Number 2. Best Choice Double Hammock with Stands. The Best Choice Double Hammocks with Stands is perfect for any outdoor space. This Brazilian-style cotton hammock is designed to provide the utmost level of comfort, style, and durability. The hammock is ideal for 1 or 2 people at a time. Plus, with a weight capacity of 450 pounds, the hammock provides the utmost amount of support and comfort simultaneously. Its heavy-duty stand is made from a tempered steel frame, making it easy to assemble the hammock. It also provides a stable surface ideal while sleeping, relaxing, camping, and lounging. The weather-resistant hammock is also made from a tightly woven cotton blend that provides optimal comfort. What we like about it: easy to assemble and dismantle, portable and lightweight design, low maintenance and durable materials. What we don't like about it: slightly smaller storage bag. Number 3. Suncreate Double Outdoor Hammocks with Stands. The Suncreate Double Outdoor Hammocks with Stands provide a comfortable and stylish way to enjoy the outdoors. The hammock is designed to support up to 475 pounds. Plus, the hardwood spreader bar and durable cotton rope hammock make this option even more reliable. The hardwood spreader bar is more stable than other options, so you can take a nap without worrying about falling. The hammock also includes a reversible quilted polyester pad with polyfiber filling. In turn, you'll experience superior comfort. Plus, it has a polyethylene stuffing head pillow to give you ultimate relaxation. The pad is easy to detach when it's time to clean the hammock. What we like about it: very easy to assemble, breathable and comfortable fabric, removable and washable top quilt. What we don't like about it: does not come with a travel bag. Number 4. Hangfeng Double Hammock with Stands. The Hangfeng Double Hammocks with Stands is an ideal choice for outdoor relaxation. High-quality materials are used to make this hammock stand. As such, it is both attractive and durable. The spun polyester sleeping pad is weather-resistant. Meanwhile, the hardwood spreader bar and cotton natural rope ends add to the overall comfort level of this hammock. The galvanized steel hardware results in superior rust protection and plenty of support. This hammock stand has an eye-catching design with a reversible quilted bed and a unique stripe pattern. It combines multiple colors for a more aesthetically appealing look. It also requires minimal assembly, though simple instructions are included as well. What we like about it: quick and easy to assemble, sturdy and stable base, spacious enough for 2 people. What we don't like about it: hammock may be too stretchy for some. Number 5. PNAEUT Double Rope Hammocks with Stands. The PNAEUT Double Rope Hammocks with Stands is a traditional rope hammock that is hand-woven with classic net-like cotton rope. It also contains wooden sticks for a simple yet attractive design. It features a tight mesh cotton rope weave that promotes airflow. Plus, it helps relieve physical fatigue. The hammock comes with a pillow, allowing you to enjoy extra comfort while spending time in this hammock. With the help of a metal hook, you can adjust the height of the hammock for more balanced support. The heavy-duty stand is made from robust steel material, In turn, it can support up to 2 people at once with a maximum capacity of 475 pounds. What we like about it? Easy to assemble without tools. Very comfortable, sturdy, and relaxing. Can fit 2 adults and 2 kids. What we don't like about it? Not recommended for use in strong winds. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.